Here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna disconnect the horn.
And me?
You gaze at me lovingly.
Brilliant.
Looks like it's sealed with wax.
Shall we entertain a plan B?
Yeah, come on.
Something took a big bite out of Jack and Rebecca's car in 1962.
Hey, Mike's. Jack's hat.
This adjunct has the same markings as the billboard.
Which means that whatever did this is also responsible for the deaths in Pittsburgh.
Oh, Jack and Rebecca said whatever it was, it vaporized itself. They brought a whole team out here. Searched the farm from top to bottom.
Still, they could have been mistaken.
Whoa! Oh, awesome! Check it out. Astounding Tales. Yeah, you take Jack as an Astounding Tales kind of guy. Playboy, maybe. Now, those are some astounding tales.
One of my short stories is in there. Imagine the royalties.
Yes, just what the world needs. A rich, homicidal maniac. You buy yourself a secret island lair and hire someone to twirl your mustache.
Supposed to stop that thing.
We'll go without a closer look. Ready?
Alright, I think I can hit it with the Tesla. It might melt the wax.
I'm a better shot than you.
Hockey pucks. Guess for good luck.
Sometimes the bullet is your best friend.
Destroy the artifact.
And live to beg others? Sounds like a fair swap.